So now we're going to talk about plate move. There's two things in here. This is the definition of the my block, and I'm passing it a position. Now, I'm not giving a numeric position. I'm passing a letter. So it says if letter 1 of position equals U, that stands for up, then it's going to execute these things. When it's not up, it's going to execute these things. Now let's go look at what they are. If it is up, then we're going to say set motor hold position to stop on the C motor. The C motor is the motor that actually is used to control the plate. Okay. Then set the C motor, go to relative position 65 at 30% speed. Now, if you have heavier objects on there, you could put a higher number there for speed and it would fly up really fast. 30 allows you to actually see it kind of go up pretty easily. And I can't imagine you'd have that much weight in it. 65, by testing, showed me from down 0 at the bottom, 0, up to 65. Okay, showed me that was the right height. If I come in with a D, or if I come in with anything else but a U in plate move, then it's going to do this. Set motor to coast at stop. That means the motor is free to move, because essentially what we want is for the motor to come all the way down to the bottom. Set speed at 5%, right? And start motor down. Now this thing is clockwise or counterclockwise. Here I'm turning counterclockwise and going down. All right, so let's try to run that. And the way I can do that is I got to drag this one all the way up to the top. All right, I'm going to take my mission and get it out of the way. Put that over here, take that. I don't want to do that. Now I'm going to go move this out of the way. And then I'm going to put the plate in there. Okay. So this is going to move the plate up, wait for 5 seconds, then move the plate down. See how it did that? It was a slow speed. It didn't go down real fast. It basically, as I said, let's go back and look at it. It basically set the speed to 5 and set the motor to coast. Now, this worked, but quite frankly, you may have wanted to set it to 0, to the 0 position. But it did work. You can experiment with different things. But the problem is with this motor is actually lifting something. So, yeah, so you have to experiment. Okay. Now, I put this in here because this particular robot has a plate that has to be lifted. But this is how you could lift an arm. And hopefully, this will give you some ideas about how to do that. Again, you have to mess around with it. This is something that I had to mess around with when I did it.